Hello, my name's Greg. I'm the owner of All Around Surfaces, and today we're going to take you behind the scenes of a color chip floor coating project. All Around Surfaces has been applying coatings for over 20 years, and we're the experts in the area to make sure you have a long-lasting, durable floor. Preparation is key when you're applying a color chip floor coating. We use a commercial-grade floor grinder. That's something that most homeowners don't have, and if you don't do that correctly, that coating sits on top and it's not going to bond well. We also use an industrial vacuum. That way your garage is left spotless clean. It collects all the dust, and without the right equipment, you could be left with a huge mess. Once we're done with preparation, we're ready to put down the coating. We use a polyaspartic or a polyurea as our base coat, and that's way better than epoxy. On top of that, a garage is an industrial environment. If you don't have an industrial sealer on there, like a polyaspartic, it's going to chip and peel off. Our coating, the sealer, is going to resist any of those chemicals. So once that coating is applied, we're going to put the chips into that floor while it's still wet. We put a full broadcast, and they're vinyl paint chips. That's going to add durability to your floor. It's going to add texture so it's not slippery. Once that coating dries, we then go scrape all the chips off. We vacuum and clean the floor really well, and then we're able to apply the clear sealer. Not only can we do it in a garage, it's awesome for basement floors, for commercial spaces, laundry rooms. We've done locker rooms, showers, schools, you name it. Any place where you need a durable, long-lasting, awesome-looking floor, polyaspartic color chip floor coating is awesome. Feel free to reach out to All Around Surfaces. You can call us at 605-728-4999 or check out our website, allaroundsurfaces.com.